Here is your two-step test practice on McCainFourth.com video. Glad you're watching it. So here we go. Let's get our important info underlined. So Leanna had 4 friends over for a party. Each, right away, be circling these hint words. You should be using your math notebook if you need help with those hint words. Each means multiply most of the time. Each friend had 2 red presents and 4 blue presents. We know and usually means join together, and we're gonna put a big rectangle around this so it stands out, and we know to do this first. Okay, so you need to have that. Again, feel free to pause this if I'm going too fast, or move through it faster if you just need to check your work real quick. All right, and then how many presents did friends bring all together? And we know that that just means the answer to addition or multiplication. All right, so we can see our 2 operations, so let's write those down. We can see that this needs done first, 2 plus 4. So this is 6 presents, okay, that each friend has. It's sort of like in each group. All right, friends in this case are our groups of people. So now let's do our multiplication. So you should have a horizontal equation that looks like this, and we have groups times how many in each group will tell us the total altogether. So there's 4 friends. That's how many. There's 6 presents in each group, or for each friend. And we know door times chicks, dentifloor 24 is our total. So how many presents did the friends bring all together? Our answer we're writing is the friends brought 24 presents all to get her. I always like saying that for that. All right, on to the next. And let's actually pause for a moment. We'll go straight down to our secret word, our secret video word. Let's see, should be, let's do that. Ooh, butter flavored. Let's do butter. That would be random. So the secret word is going to be butter. Very random. Okay, I like butter though. All right, back up to what we're supposed to do. All right, next one, Madison had 38 water balloons. She lost. Ooh, lost is a hint word meaning subtraction, so we're going to circle that. All right, lost 6 of the balloons when they popped, obviously. Oh, then shared, we're going to circle shared. Shared means, especially shared equally, means dividing. So dividing the rest equally with 4 friends. That's how many groups of people we're sharing it with. How many balloons did each friend get? That's like how many are in each person's hand or in each group with a question mark. So let's put our operations, minus and divide. Okay, and we'll go ahead and do this part first. So 38 losing 6, which would be minus 6, and so 8 minus 6 is 2, and then we have 32. Always check with a calculator as well when you're doing your work. You are allowed to use a calculator on the test. All right, and so now we know there's 32 total balloons at this point. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and share them with 4 friends now. So set up your division equation. So we have total, group, and in each group. Our total balloons now are 32. We're sharing them with 4 friends. Make sure you use the right numbers. And then that'll tell us 4 times what equals Dirty U32. When the door is skating, he's skating on Dirty U32 ramp. So how many balloons did each friend get? Each friend got 8 balloons. Each friend got 8 balloons. And there we go. And on to the last one. Okay, Daquan he doesn't like being called Day Day at school, we learned, has 3 gerbils, and Skylar has 3 gerbils. So we have Daquan, 3 gerbils, and right away, circle it and put your plus sign. Circle that too. Skylar has 3 gerbils. Okay. Oh, for some reason I used Hudson here. This is my fault. Oh no, this is how it's supposed to be. We're good. All right, so Daquan has 3 gerbils and Skylar has 3 gerbils. And so obviously we need to box this so that we know to add those. So that's the first thing we're gonna do is add. Let's continue now. Hudson has 8 times more gerbils than both of them combined. So we're definitely combining them. So Hudson has 8 times more. As soon as we see 8 times, we know that this is what we put for that hint, 8x. And as a side note, it says Hudson really loves gerbils. So how many gerbils? Hudson is who we're going to focus on. So let's go ahead and put our multiplication symbol here and finish our work to solve this. So the first thing we see that's boxed out is this addition. You can't miss that. So 3 gerbils plus 3 gerbils equals 6 gerbils. Okay, and this is 6 gerbils. This is Daquan slash Skylar, Daquan and Skylar total. Okay. All right, Hudson has 8 times more. So this means we're doing a comparison problem. That's if we look over at the window, that is the pink problems on the window. Okay. So back to here, it's comparison. So blank times blank equals blank. How many times always goes first. And now we need to label. So this is Hudson, and it's Hudson versus both of the kids. So I can either put both, or I'm just going to put it the Daquan Skylar as both. Okay, and this is Hudson's real number. All right, what do we know? The Daquan Skylar number or Hudson's real number? And I can see in my first step that I did, here's Daquan and Skylar's total. And now chicks times skate equals 40 cake 48. And there's Hudson's. How many gerbils does Hudson have? He really loves gerbils. Hudson has 48 gerbils. Oops, that's an E there. Sorry. All right, and there we go. That is your practice test. So you can see everything we expect. Codes underneath, so you're paying attention to what the numbers are. Codes underneath here. Circling your operations. Boxing the addition. If it's how many times, then we're putting labels of who these people are. And if you can label the answers to your small problems, that will help as well. And obviously restating the question into a complete sentence. All right, see you tomorrow. Good luck.